Marty.
Yeah.
I've made a decision. I'm not going with you tomorrow. I'm staying here.
What are you talking about, Doc?
There's no point in denying it. I'm in love with Clara.
Oh, man. Doc, we don't belong here. Neither one of us. You know, it could still be you that gets shot tomorrow. This tombstone could still be in your future.
Marty, the future isn't written. It can be changed. You know that. Anyone can make their future whatever they want it to be. I can't let this one little photograph determine my entire destiny. I have to live my life according to what I believe is right. In my heart.
Doc, you're a scientist. So you tell me, what's the right thing to do up here?
You're right, Marty.
Wow, that worked great.
I've at least got to tell her goodbye.
Come on, Doc. Think about it. What are you gonna say to her? I gotta go back to the future? I mean, she's not gonna understand that, Doc. Hell, I'm in it with you, and I don't even understand it. Doc, listen. Maybe we... I don't know, maybe we can just take Clara with us.
To the future? You reminded me, Marty. I'm a scientist, so I must be scientific about this. I cautioned you about disrupting the continuum for your own personal benefit. Therefore, I must do no less. We shall proceed as planned, and as soon as we return to 1985, we'll destroy this infernal machine. Traveling through time has become much too painful.